guys, we are in Birmingham and we're gonna go roller skating. Yes, again it is time. So we're just going on a stroll at the minute. Yeah, the nice scenery, except the trees will have no leaves, but it's a nice still. It's chill, you know what I'm saying, but cold.
So how's your day been?
My day has been lovely.
What have you been up to?
It's a family day, you know, so spending quality time with Javi over here.
Oh,
Hey, listen, if you just allow me, cameraman, please. Just allow me, please. Please and thanks. You know, say me shy you already. Funny video.
I lie.
You know, say me shy for the video already. You know? So please, just allow me, man. Allow me.
I lie.
You know the video.
So who's that?
Wait. Right there.
Why's my man spinning out?
That man spinning out the camera quickly, bro. Couldn't catch him in the video, you know. Catch him, man. Catch him.
You're not going on the camera.
Get
There
him.
he is.
Just kept this side.
Yes, I did.
But wait, we have to catch cameraman as well. What do you mean?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
hi
yeah,
there,
yeah,
guys.
yeah, yeah,
If you
yeah.
know me, you know me. You know who I am.
Okay.
You know me.
okay.
You'll see me shortly
Right,
anyway.
turn the camera.
They'll see me shortly. Yeah?
Okay.
Let's see you shortly.
Yes.
All right. Cut that one there. Still and oh, sorry.
Inboxing wife.
Happy days.
So I went roller skating with the intention of doing it perfect. I put on my shoes. I felt super confident and I was like, yeah, I can do it. Like I literally, I stood up and I thought in my head, yes, I will do this. But as soon as I start moving, I recognize, oh no, this is harder than I thought. And it was crazy. It was tough. If you're doing roller skating for the first time, and you've never really stood up in wheels or things like, I don't know what to say, but whatever. If you've never done those type of things before, it's good to watch videos on the basics of roller skating. I wish I had done that, because after I had done the roller skating and get the basics from the persons around, I recognized that if I did watch those videos, those tips on YouTube on how to do basic roller skating, I would have an idea in my head of how to actually move. So I'm here taking techniques from this young lady, and I'll get a whole lot more techniques from people, because I'm gonna be standing there for almost I think 5 minutes, because I was just basically trying to figure out like how can I move, like how. So scared, like I was literally so scared. It felt like this fear that I'm gonna either trip over on my face, I'm gonna trip over on my back or something, and I'm gonna really hurt myself. And so all of those fears were whelming up in my mind. I was so stressed. I started sweating. I had on like a small, what do you call it, sweater, and I started feeling hot and I was literally sweating. Every time my husband called, I was like, nah, I can't move. Like, he doesn't understand that I can't move, because this I don't know if you've ever had a fear of climbing stairs or standing on like a precipice, like a mountain. That's how I felt. Like I felt like I was gonna just trip over and fall on my face. And so that fear stayed in my mind for like majority of the session that I had. I was there for an hour, and that fear was just whelming up inside of me, like legit. Now this young lady is helping me to walk, and I'll be telling you guys, the pain I feel, you never know, okay? emotions that I never show. Let me stop singing. But yeah, like legit, this was the toughest. It was one of the most difficult things I felt I've ever done in my life. Like I've been on things like those high moving up, like those high things that you go on at the park, but I've never felt that scared. Like it felt like fun, and I thought, oh my god, this is gonna be fun. Like I'm gonna have fun, and I'm gonna skate, and I'm gonna exercise, and I'm gonna get those workouts in. But I was in for a disappointment. I was so disappointed, like I cannot move. Oh my god, and this young lady is struggling. I'm sorry, guys, but I tried. I was like, I need this young lady to let go of me because I want to do it all by myself. But I was there, I was freaking out, like trying to figure out, like it wasn't easy. This was, as I've said, was one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. No, you're gonna be in for the first surprise. Yep, I'm dead. I'm on the floor, like I'm on the floor flat. And then I don't know how to get up. My husband tried to teach me. He said, okay, put foot in front of the other and use the other to push it off. I'm like, this doesn't make sense. I'm putting one foot in front of the other. I'm using the other to push it off. But when I put one foot in front of the other, that foot is just slipping away, and how can I put one foot in front of the other and just move off? Like that doesn't make sense. I don't know how to I don't know how to actually balance myself. If I've known like how to balance myself and do the basics, and I'll know how to do it, but I don't know the basics. And so I waited and I walked around and I hold on to that yellow rail that you see. I hold on to it so tightly. It was my best friend for nearly like 45 minutes, I think. Yeah. To be honest, and the crew members, they were helping me out, they were giving me tips, which was really lovely of them. And this at this moment, I'm trying, like I'm saying, okay, I need to get it. I need to get it. I need to not have people walking around holding on to me all the time. I just need to get it. So I tried and I tried. Like I tried holding on to the railing and then step around, but it never worked. Like it never worked. And so my husband is still there trying to give me the tips. Like he's still there, okay. Like he's telling me how to set my foot. Like he's some pro at this. Like he is the pro. I'm like, okay, huzzy, I'll take some advice. Yeah, I'll try them. But they don't they're not working. Like my foot is just literally sliding away from the other. Like, hubby, you're not doing a great job right here. Like I'm messing up. Like I'm messing up badly. And guys, you will recognize that even up until near the end of the session, I was just messing up. Like every time I tried to let go of that railing, I was slipping and sliding. It was not nice. It was very difficult, and it was a very difficult journey for me personally. I would go back. I promised myself I would go back and try it again. As I've learned the basics from the crew members. They were there teaching me one and two basics. Which helped a lot, and I really appreciated it. Like sometimes I even fell on the ground and I tried to get up and move off, but my foot just keep slipping. Like it was a mess. Like it wasn't the nicest. And then as my husband tried to carry me, it didn't work. Like it didn't work. I fall dead to the floor. Like it was as I've said, guys, I mean it from my bottom of my heart. This was the toughest thing I've ever done. I'll do it again, because you know what? I love this verse from a song that um I listened to the other day, we fall down but we get up. Yeah, I will surely get up again, and I will try it again. Because I've learned the basic techniques as the sessions progressed, and I've gained I was able to actually move by myself. I didn't have all the clips because you know what, I could not have my phone walking around, because at the end of the day I can't be falling on the ground every second and have my phone in my hand. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my journey.